ciao, because here in Italy they say ciao is like hello. I love this language so much. Here in Rome, Italy right now, it is, hey man, how are you? I make videos, so I'm always talking to the camera. Here in Rome, Italy right now, it is about 9 in the morning. Yesterday was my last day, and today I am leaving Rome, off to the airport now. Flight leaves. Yeah. Perfect, Italia.
Yes.
Grazie.
Have a nice day.
Arrivederci, bella. Okay, little mistake. Got the right ticket, but to the wrong airport. Hey, ciao. Ticket office. Ticket of this airport? The other.
Champin.
Yeah. Can I
go straight?
Yeah.
Left.
Okay, so right now on the train. Train doesn't leave for another 15 minutes. Oh my goodness. So yeah. So I got the wrong ticket. Wrong ticket was like 15 euros, I think. The right ticket was 2 euros. Train is 45 minutes. This is gonna be close. Yeah, this is gonna be really close. Really close, this flight. Oh man. No stress. I get in situations like this, number one, talking to you guys make me feel better, but there's nothing I can do. I can't make the train leave early, can't speed the train up. I just gotta How long do you ride? 15 minutes. Alright, grazie. Arrivederci. Okay, so finally made it through security check-in. I think it's sometimes about mastering the art of just calmly freaking out. Like there's no way I could make that flight. I don't know how I made it in time, but oh my gosh. I'm in the airport through security check-in. I'm checked in through security. Thankfully, there was no line. Yeah, wow. But I was freaking out inside, like on a completely different level. But now now I have like 20 minutes until the flight. Welcome to Italy. Last Italian or last pizza here in Italy for a while. Definitely needed to calm me down. Really crazy morning. Like I was stressing out, freaking out, but I knew that it got to a point where I think this is so important. I got to a point where it's like there's nothing more I can do. I've got a new ticket. I'm on the train. I can't make the train go faster. I can't do any of that. You know, when I realized like I'm focusing inward, like I gotta get there. But I'm like, what do? Do I tell the person in the train to go faster? But then what about other people who are gonna miss their train? You know, and it started thinking more outwards instead of inwards, and it made me feel better. And then really interesting thing that I didn't put in the vlog yesterday when I was talking with Italia, spasiba for this. You know, she was saying, you know, I don't want to get into religion or anything, but you know, whatever you call it, universe, God, I don't, it's not the point of this. But whenever you ask for something or you want something, there's always 3 answers. And I'll never forget what Natalia told me. Thank you, spasiba, Natalia. The first thing was, it's either the answer is yes, it's either yes, but not now, or the third answer is, I've got something better for you. And I find now having that little belief system where it's like, if this didn't work out, this flight didn't work out, I couldn't get on it, that it's not a no that I can't go to this next country. It's not no that I can't do this. It's just not now, or there's something better in store. And that little belief of those three things kind of got me through. I replayed that for the 45-minute backtrack all the way to this airport. But yeah, made it here to the airport. Now I got to pay attention so I don't miss boarding the flight. But wow, these things kind of happen traveling. I'm glad I documented. I think it's so important because people always share the highlights and I never want to make it like that. So yeah, that was the morning. Last pizza here in Rome with a nice little view behind me. Flight leaves and I think we board in like thank you, grazie, grazie. Arrivederci. Welcome to Bratislava, Slovakia. And I have no idea where my hotel is, hostel, no idea anything really. This is going to be really interesting. Okay, so landed here, got the bag, everything's all good. Now it's just trying to decide the best way to get to the center. It's like a 10 euro Uber or a 1 euro bus to the main train station, then a 15-minute walk to the center. I think I'm gonna try to do the bus route, and then the 15-minute walk will give me a view of the city. It's not too hot, so I can take the bags. Yeah, that's it. I'm glad I made it. I haven't made it yet, but I made it, at least, I made the flight, step by step. So here we go. This is the last stop, and yeah, now time to find the hostel. I feel like I'm gonna blend in really well here. I'm totally lost, by the way. So yeah, I must say my very first thoughts on this city, I would have to guess, I don't know, I get that Montenegro kind of vibe here, a little bit, you know. I get like a the kids. I know I get this kind of, I get a kind of like Montenegro, Croatia kind of vibe being here. That's just what I feel. I feel like a bigger version of Montenegro. Yeah, that's just my first vibe. I've just only been here for 3 minutes out of the bus, but that's my first vibe that I get here. But the hostel should be just right up here. How are you? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Bed number F, that's me. There's all my money. But yeah, bed number F, that's me. Okay, welcome home for the next couple nights. I need some food, but I have no idea what people eat here actually. So I gotta find out. This is more of a vlog of what goes on behind the vlog, where people look at it and think, oh Luke, it's so fun, it's so just, yeah, it is, but there's always problems that come up which maybe seem kind of entertaining, but in the moment, it's like yesterday with Natalia, we were so hungry, we couldn't find a pizza place. It looks entertaining in the vlog, but in the moment we're like, no, we really want some food. And that's kind of how I'm feeling right now. Excuse me. Hi.
Yeah.
Do you know food? Smart. A place to eat. Is there like small places to get something to eat around here?
Well, there are quite a few if you go along that way across the...
This way?
Across the square.
Uh-huh.
And then you come to a street called Opkot now, and there are quite a few.
Like how far walking from here?
It's like 5 minutes.
Okay, 5 minutes.
If you know where you're going. If you get lost, it might be 10, but...
Okay, I have no idea where I'm going, but just go this way and I'll maybe ask somebody.
Yeah.
Okay, why do you have an English accent?
I study in England.
Oh my goodness, it's really strong. Okay, thank you. Bye. Okay, so apparently there's food places over here. Just walked by a lady's shirt and her shirt said, some people just need a high five. She was rolling her bags in one hand, had flowers in the other hand, and had a really mad look on her face. Maybe she was the one that needed that high five. I talk more when I have the GoPro because it's so small and convenient. It's just like, yeah, it's just easier talking to you like this. Hope you don't mind me rambling, but I'm starving. If I don't talk or sing, then I can get pretty, yeah, not in a good mood. I guess it's one of those places as well, you have to go like under the ground to cross the street. Well, I was just trying to cross the street, but wow, this is pretty nice. This is a little more spacious. This is like Ukraine underground, but it's like a mall, and I'm totally lost. Whoa. Can I have 2 the chicken and 1 spinach and yeah, please. Yakuem? Ah, okay. Okay. I'm trying to learn. Okay, so I got some Bordik. I know Bordik is like Bosnian / Serbian, but I really love Bordik. Okay, now this is the center, I'm guessing. Down the hill. I think there's like a river here or something like that. Not exactly sure, but I'm making my way this way. Here we go. What's up, man?
Yeah.
And of course I'm not sure, but I feel like with that little, first of all, the whole city is here. This is where everybody is. Everybody's here. I don't see a big square, but it's like everyone's just out. Like it's a lot of bars, a lot of people having like early drinks. It's 8:45. It's not like people are eating right now. It looks like everyone's just having. It's funny, Italia, if you're watching this, there's like pizza places everywhere. Not like yesterday when we couldn't find any. But it kind of seems like this whole thing just goes on and on. Maybe 30 minutes later, met some awesome people from London. I just said hi when I was walking by the table, sat with them for about 20-25 minutes. You all know who you are. It was a pleasure to talk to you guys. Yo, I'll never forget you. but kind of being here by the river, I'm really open-minded now when I go into a place, when I come to visit a place. So even coming here to Slovakia, I always get it confused with Slovenia. Coming here to Slovakia, I'm always just, I had no idea what to expect, no idea what to think. Like what is here? Is it run down? How is it? And it seems like it's really nice. It's really not what I thought. I mean, they have like an old town like this, and it looks very beautiful. But like as far as like dangerous and all that, I don't feel that at all, which is what I've heard. And I feel like it's such a calm city. I mean, today is a night when everyone's going out because apparently people don't work tomorrow. I don't know what it is exactly. What can I say about this city though? Overall, it's been a long day, and I just kind of taking it in, and I feel like it's a peaceful city outside of Old Town. I feel like Old Town, there's a lot of bars, a lot of stuff like that. But overall, I feel like it is a nice little city. I feel like it's little. I get that feeling like this Old Town, that might be the main parts. But on that note, I'm gonna probably end the vlog here because I'm kind of rambling. I'm a little bit tired, guys. It was a really long morning, as you guys saw, but I want to thank you guys for sticking with me. This city, I need more time. That's the easy answer. I said a whole bunch of stuff before, but I need more time with this city. It seems really calm and peaceful. Of course, Old Town has a lot going on, but seems really calm, which is maybe something that I need right now. It's been a long couple of days, but thank you guys so much for sticking along and your comments and questions and your support. I appreciate you guys, and I'll talk to you guys all later. And everyone, always remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to smile.